This quick knit loom kit is perfect for kids who enjoy arts and crafts and want to start to learn how to knit. The set makes a unicorn which is perfect for my little niece as she absolutely adores unicorns, and she's excited to be able to make a little stuffy with her own hands. I have already opened the box with my niece and here are the contents. There is a large two-sided page of instructions with colorful pictures illustrating the key steps and directions. The instructions and pictures themselves are also numbered so they can be easily followed step by step even by a child who is just learning. Included in this box is also over 60 yards of yarn. There's a roll of white yarn and then a separate bag of colored yarn. We also have a couple of soft ears, a gold horn, and some accents. There's also one large round loom and one small loom. Packaged separately is a purple hook in a plastic bag along with a plastic needle. Oh, and there's also some white fiber stuffing contained in a vacuum-packed bag. My niece has already started knitting her unicorn and she plans on working on it every night after dinner until her unicorn is finished.